Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Science of Plants and Animals Learn with Dr. Bhasha. Today in this video, I am going to share some important MCQs of cell chapter, the unit of life. As you know, the cell is the basic unit of life, so this chapter is very important for all competitive exams. Before starting my video, I am requesting you to all please share, like and subscribe my channel so that I could share more notes, questions and information to all of you. Now let's start. Cell, the unit of life. Question 1 is, unicellular microscopic organisms were first studied by? The answer is option D, Leeuwenhoek. Second, the most likely method used to determine the structural details of a cell organelle is? The answer is option C, electron microscopy. The figures of Koch cells as seen by Robert Hooke were published in the book. The answer is option D, Micrographia. Question 4. The cell theory was formulated by? The answer is option A, Sliden and Swan. Question number 5 is, omnicellula e-cellula, that is new cells arise from pre-existing cells. This statement was given by? The correct option is option B, Rudolf Virchow. Now question number 6. Match column 1 with column 2 and select the correct option from the codes given below. Here in column 1, name of the scientists are given and in column 2, their contribution. So the correct answer of this question is option A, in which Leeuwenhoek first saw and described a living cell, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus, Sliden described all plants are composed of different kinds of cell, and Swan described presence of cell wall is unique to plant cell. Now question number 7. Who proposed a modification in cell theory? Actually, the cell theory was given by Sliden and Swan, and the modification in their cell theory was given by Rudolf Virchow. Option B is the correct option. Question number 8. What is true about genetic material of a prokaryotic cell? Prokaryotic cell lacks histones, not enveloped by nuclear membrane, and prokaryotic cell composed of single circular DNA molecule. So the correct option is option D, all of these. Question number 9. Dash are self-replicating extrachromosomal segments of double-stranded circular and naked DNA present in a bacterial cell. The correct option is option A, plasmids. Question number 10 is, prokaryotic cells are generally dash and multiply dash than the eukaryotic cells. The correct answer is option C. Prokaryotic cells are generally smaller and multiply faster than the eukaryotic cells. Now question number 11. Which of the given statements are correct? First statement, Bacillus subtilis is a gram-positive bacteria, Escherichia coli is a gram-negative bacteria, and washing of Gram's stain in gram-negative bacteria is due to high lipid content of the cell wall, which get dissolved in organic solvents like acetone. In the given statement, the correct statements are all of these. First, second and third, all are correct. Bacteria which do not retain stain and become colorless are called gram-negative bacteria. Okay. Now question number 12. The correct sequence of layers of bacterial cell envelope from outward to inward is? The correct option is option number C, glycocalyx, then cell wall and then cell membrane. Question number 13. If you remove the fimbriae from the bacterial cell, which of the following would you expect to happen? The correct option is B, the bacteria would not adhere to the host tissue. Actually, fimbriae are the long filamentous polymeric protein structures located at the surface of bacterial cells. They enable bacteria to bind to specific receptor structures. Now question number 14. The type of ribosomes found in prokaryotes is option B, 70S type. 70S type of ribosome is composed of small 30S subunit and large 50S subunit. While in eukaryotic cells, the type of ribosome is 80S type. Question number 15. Which of these is not correct regarding ribosome? The correct option is option C, absent in chloroplast and mitochondria. This option is incorrect because ribosomes are present in chloroplast and mitochondria. Question number 16. Plant cells differ from animal cells in having. The correct option is option D, all of these. Because in plant cells, cell wall is present while in animal cell it is absent. Plant cell having plastids, chloroplast, but animal cells lacking these plastids, and plant cell have a large central vacuole which is absent in animal cells. So the correct option is option D, all of these. Question number 17. Cell recognition and adhesion are facilitated by components of plasma membrane. These components are generally, the correct option is option D, glycolipids and glycoproteins. Now question number 18. Which is the best way to separate intact chloroplast from green leaves of angiospermic plant? The correct option is option D, alcohol. If we treat a plant leaf with alcohol, we can easily separate the chloroplast from the leaves. Question number 19. Who gave the lamellar or sandwich model of cell membrane? The correct option is option B, Danilai and Davson. Question number 20. Dye injected into a plant cell might be able to enter adjacent cell through. The correct option is option C, plasmodesmata. Now, question number 21. Which of the following is an energy dependent process? The energy dependent process is the option B, active transport. The substance being transported combined with a membrane bound carrier, which then releases the chemically uncharged substance inside the cell. Now question number 22. Many molecules can move briefly across the membrane without any requirement of energy, and a special membrane protein. This is called option B, passive transport. This is the basic difference between the passive transport of material and active transport of material, that the active transport is an energy dependent process while passive transport is energy independent process. Now question number 23. A cell which is very active in the synthesis and secretion of proteins would be expected to have. The correct option is option D, more Golgi bodies and no endoplasmic reticulum. Question number 24. Which one is the mismatch pair? The option is option B, Golgi apparatus. Golgi apparatus was discovered by Camillo Golgi in 1898. So the incorrect option is option B. Question number 25. Lysosomes are the reservoir, means storehouse of. The correct option is hydrolytic enzyme. Now all the questions which are coming here are mostly from the lysosome. Question number 26. Cell organelle responsible for autolysis is. The option is B, lysosome. Question number 27. Which of the following is correct for the origin of lysosome? The correct option is option A, endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi bodies, and then lysosome. This is the correct sequence of origin of lysosome. Question number 28. As they release hydrolase, they means lysosome, release hydrolase that digest old and damaged cells, the term suicide bag is aptly used by the cell biologist for lysosome? Yes. 29. How does a cell rid itself of defective or malfunctioning organelles? This is done by the lysosome, which assist in the removal of defective organelles by digesting them. So the correct option is option D. Now question number 30. Select one which is not true for ribosome. The correct option is have no role in protein synthesis. We all know that ribosome is the most important organelle of a cell which plays an important role in protein synthesis. So the incorrect option is option D. Question number 31. Which one of these is not a eukaryotic? All the bacteria are prokaryotic. They are not eukaryotic. So the correct option in these is option B, Anabaena. Anabaena is a prokaryote. This is algae. This is an algae, blue-green algae actually. Question number 23. Which of the following stains is not used for staining chromosome? The correct option is option B, safranin. Question number 33. What is a tonoplast? Tonoplast is the membrane boundary of the vacuole of plant cell. So the correct option is option C. 34. Which of the following feature is common to prokaryotes and many eukaryotes? The option is option B, cell wall present. Now the question number 35. Which of the following option is true for a secretory cell? The correct option is option B, rough endoplasmic reticulum is easily observed in the cell. So this is all about today. There are 35 most important MCQs from the chapter Cell, the basic unit of life. Thank you so much for watching my video, and please like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you.